Okay, let's discuss few more questions of this exercise. So first thing is multiplicative inverse. Okay, so multiplicative inverse, how you will calculate? Suppose a number is there 2 upon 3, so its multiplicative inverse is 3 upon 2. And suppose a number is there, suppose minus 2, so its multiplicative inverse is minus 1 upon 2. You will simply do the reciprocal of the required rational number, so you will get the multiplicative inverse of the following number. Now we will use the distributive law in order to solve few questions. For example, suppose a question is there, we have to solve this question using the distributive law. Okay, so how to use the distributive law? First of all, we have to see a common term. So in this, see, one common term is there, 7 upon 16. So what I am going to do, I am going to take 7 upon 16 as common. Then I will use this multiplication sign. So multiplication sign is there. Then you will make a bracket, and in the bracket we will write the terms as it is along with the sign. It was plus 4 upon 11 and it is minus 5 upon 22, like this. Okay, then we will solve the bracket. So when you solve it, inside it is 22, so it becomes 2 and 1, 8 minus 5 upon 22. So finally answer will be 3 upon 22, and nothing can be simplified, so we will simply write the answer 21 upon 352. So this is how you can use a distributive law to solve the questions. First you have to again identify the common term, then you will write the common term, then you will use the multiplication sign, then you will write the other terms, that is a into b plus a into c equal to a into b plus c. So what is our b? This is our b, and this whole is our c. So we will put all the values here. So you will get the required expression, and then you can solve like you are solving in the previous questions. Okay, again see, this we have to solve using the distributive law. So again, how we will solve it? This is our common term, minus 9 upon 5. So 9 upon 5 is. Then we will use these terms. This is our b and this is our c. Okay, along with the sign you have to take. So it becomes minus 9 upon 5, and then you will solve the bracket. 34 will be the LCM. So 17 into 2, 34. 34 into 1, 34. 16 minus 1. So our answer is minus 9 upon 34 into 15 minus 9 upon 5 into 15 upon 34. So this will be a little bit simplified. You will get minus 27 upon 34. Okay, so this is how you can use the distributive law to solve the questions like of this. Identify the common term, then take it common, then keep it inside the other terms along with the sign. Then in question number 9, we have to find the product of the reciprocals of minus 6 and minus 141 upon 18. So product of their reciprocal means minus 1 upon 6 into minus 18 upon 141. Okay, this we have to find. So I have written the reciprocals. Then 6 into 3 is 18. So our answer is 3 upon 141. Then in 10th question we have to again see a property, and this property is known as, okay, this property is known as what? Associative property. Okay, associative property of multiplication, and this we have to verify. Suppose a is equals to minus 7 upon 8, b is minus 4 upon 5, and c is 3 upon 10. So for these three numbers we have to verify this property. So first I will take LHS, and minus 7 upon 8 into minus 4 upon 5 into 3 upon 10. So when I solve it, what I will get? I will get 2 into 2, 2 into 5, minus 7 upon 8 into minus 6 upon 25. So 2 into 4, 2 into 3, your answer is 21 upon 100. So this is our LHS. Then we will find RHS. This is our RHS. So minus 7 upon 8 into minus 4 upon 5 into 3 upon 10. Again 4 ones are 4, 4 into 2 is 8. So it becomes 7 upon 10 into 3 upon 10. So your answer is 21 upon 100. See, both the answers are same. And actually this associative property always held in case of the addition as well as multiplication, and this we have seen in this example. So we can say that our LHS equal to RHS. So this is how we can solve or we can prove. Now let's see a one word problem. So in this, a car is moving with the uniform speed of, so this is the uniform speed of the car, and we have to find the distance covered by this car in 9 hours. So what is distance? We know distance is actually speed into time. So 79 upon 3 into 9, you just multiply, 237 kilometers. Okay, so this is how you can solve the problems related to multiplication, and we have discussed almost all the types of the problem. If you have any doubt, you can ask. And then now we will start with we will revise the next exercise, that is division of the rational numbers.